is Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I do all kinds of product unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a ceiling light. So in case you guys are looking for a ceiling light, then definitely this review will help you. So this one I have ordered from Amazon, and so let's open it and see how it looks. So these are the lights, you can see. So you have to install it in the ceiling. It comes with like 4 ceiling light. 1, 2, 3, 4. All are similar, and this is a ceiling light. So this is the way you can install it. So these are some screws they have given to install it in the ceiling.
So as you can see, this is hot line and this is the neutral. So what will happen, the main will get in here. You just have to break this, and then we will connect these two, positive and negative, and then again we'll take connect another wire and channel it through this for the next light. Like that we'll connect all the 4 lights. So the main will come in, and another end it will send this connection extension to the another light. Similarly, in another light, that will get in and it will go to the other light. Like that we will do. So let's see how it works. So these are all push pin type, like this, like connectors. You can just twist it, that's it.
So we are just showing it here, but in the similar way you can do it in the ceiling.
To demonstrate. This is ready, right? So.
Oh wow, now it's good. Wow. So this is the way you can do it in the ceiling. We are just showing it like this way because now I cannot do it in the ceiling.
It's just a simple extension. It comes here and it's positive and negative, neutral and line, and then you just connect it here and see. Let me remove it. See, the power is gone right now. Now you can show it there. Now this is on.
Yeah, so it's like a bright light. Yeah.
And I like because it's blue light. It's daylight.
Yes, daylight. Yeah,
right?
That would light. It's not like yellowish light.
It's
like
not
white.
yellow. It's
white.
It's in the 5000
blue
Kelvin range.
Yes.
Okay. That's
so
good.
if you need to connect like 4 lights, how you connect it?
Okay, I will show you that one. Now, this is one light. These are the wire twisters, right? So for example, I need a piece of wire. If you have a piece of wire, I could show, but let's see. Because this is for demonstration only.
Okay.
Okay, as you can see, I'm connecting the black to black, this one. Right? And then white to white. Okay. Now this comes in and lights this one. So from here you have to take something out. That means here it will be connected like this. It's a parallel connection, so as you can see, it's a parallel connection, right? As you can see, I will just try to demo it by connecting how you can connect. So this way it is connected like this. Now I can connect this one here and this one here. So that's the idea. This is not the right gauge of wire, that's why I'm struggling, but you can have right gauge of wire.
Oh wow, now it's good. So in the similar way you can connect like 4 lights.
These are all parallel connections, right? So you can connect
4.
yes. So ideally you will have multiple pieces of wire. One will come in and then this next one will go out to another.
Okay. Yeah, this light is like really good quality because it's a white light, and also you can see the quality is also.
And these are all the wire twisters. You just use these one to connect. Like
yeah,
this.
you can in the similar way you can connect the 4 lights.
Don't use this gauge. This is too heavy.
Too heavy. Yeah.
I mean,
you can use the same gauge wire so that it will
same
be
gauge
safer.
wire, so that you just connect using parallel. They're all parallel connections. Like this all the lines will be parallel. So make sure when you put one wire in and connect it, then take that 2 points from there to the another line. Like that you can do the parallel connection. So this is how you can use it. Test this. This is the hot wire. This is the neutral. So you can just do the neutral first and then the hot. Be very careful. And the light is on.
Oh wow, that's really nice. You can see this is how the light works. You can, in the similar way, you can connect like 4 lights, all these 4 lights with the parallel connection, and put it in the ceiling with the help of some electrician. I just show you how it works, and yeah, it's like a really good quality, and the light is also white light, which I really like. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.